Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today's video I will show you the beautiful room decoration. I hope you will like it. If you like, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. So let's start it. I hope all are doing good. So you can see the first picture, the backside mirror. You can see the beautiful light, and the decoration is very beautiful, very nice also. You can see this one also a beautiful decoration. The arrow, you can see the S, maybe I don't know what they make it. The decoration is beautiful. And you can see this one also, the small plants you can keep here. You can keep anything decoration thing also, anything watch or something will keep expensive for decoration. And this one also same thing, you can keep your plants, flowers in a cup, for anything you can keep here for decoration. It will be looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also a beautiful decoration of the wall. They keep here small plants and all they keep. It is looking very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful plants, very good also. You can see this one also, the two lamps you can see, and the decoration you can see. It is looking good decoration. The decoration is also very beautiful decoration. So you can see the plant downs. And you can see this one also, the beautiful decoration. You can see the wall decoration, very beautiful. You can see the design, like this, very beautiful design. You can see this one also, the walls and the lines on the walls looking very beautiful. And the lamp, you can see the black color lamp, black color decoration, very beautiful. I like the black color decoration. And you can see this one also very beautiful. The arrows are going here and there. It is like something new technology they are making. It is very beautiful. I like this one. And the table, you can see the horse and the lamps, candles, you can see. It is looking very beautiful and very attractive, and the black color of wall very good. And you can see the up lights also. And you can see this one also, the decoration. It is the wall decoration. You can see the zigzag lines. It is also very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the backside plants you can see, and the side lights you can see, and the mirror, you can see mirror backside lights looking very beautiful. It is bathroom, VIP bathroom. I don't know how it is. And you can see this one also, the beautiful decoration, up, down, sides, plants they put, looking beautiful plants. And the decoration is very nice. Then you can see this one also, very beautiful decoration they did for this one. You can see the leaves, grass is going up and down sides, and the red color for rose, looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also, it is a toilet, and down you can see the stones, white color stones, and the grass. This bathroom also very beautiful. And you can see this one also, the decor you can keep here. You are anything you can keep, VIP things for decoration. You can keep something for beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also, the plants and the flowers backside of the mirror, and the bouquet you can see the side, the flowers, rose, looking very beautiful. If you like guys, so please guys don't forget to comment, okay guys, and like this video. And you can see this one also, the mirrors are there, looking very beautiful mirrors. The lines and the decoration is very beautiful. You can see this one also, the wall decoration. They did like what we will call this, a mountain type. They did this decoration, looking very beautiful. So you can see this one also, the down fishes are there, very beautiful fish. So if guys you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Love you all.